Welcome. We are continuing with the Vedic mathematical chase of seed format space. Today we are in the fourth and the final phase. The first three phases, the first three quarter phases of this chase are in terms of Ganita Sutras 1 to 4 as first phase, Ganita Sutras 5 to 8 as second phase, Ganita Sutras 9 to 12 as third phase. Today, in the fourth phase, we will be taking help of the processing steps of the mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras 13 to 16. The first quarter is the quarter which is settling four folds manifestation within creator's space. Seed, like any other creation, is the created entity. Being a created entity, it is in a manifestation form. The manifested form of all creations, including of the seed, is of four folds. These four folds manifestations avail creators of format. The creators of format is parallel to the format features of idol of Lord Brahma, creator the supreme. As such, the first chase as first quarter, Sutras 1 to 4, take us to the fourfold manifestation format parallel to format features of hypercube 4, the representative regular body of force space. The second quarter is the phase when there happens explosion Visphot at the transcendental origin of the creator, the space. This is the phase and stage of chase as second quarter parallel to processing steps of mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras 5 to 8. These sutras, these quadruple sutras, these four sutras, Sutra 5 to 8, are availing the processing steps of mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras 5 to 8. The features playing their prominent role are the explosion at the transcendental origin of the creator's space. The formulation Visphot is of TC value 29. Value 29 is parallel to TC value of formulation Brahma. We know Brahma is the four-head Lord. Each head is equipped with a pair of eyes. Lord Brahma sits comfortably at the lotus seat of 8 petals. Within the cavity of heart of Lord Brahma is the transcendental seat of transcendental Lord Shiv. Lord Brahma meditates upon transcendental Lord Shiv within cavity of the heart of Lord Brahma. It is with the grace of transcendental Lord that that Lord Brahma multiplies as 10 Brahmas. It is this chase, it is this phenomenon, it is this happening which is of prominent importance. These sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity efforts to chase the Bij, Satta, Akash, seed format space shall sit comfortably and permit the transcending mind to go parallel with the enlightenment path of Lord Brahma. It is this enlightenment path which will bring us face to face with The second phase chase steps of Bij Sattakash. The explosion at the transcendental seat is sequentially of values 2, 5, 12, and 29. So these four explosion phases are bringing us face to face with the second phase reach of the mathematical domain. The third phase in space is the third quarter. Third quarter is availing processing steps of Ganita Sutras 9 to 12. This is the phase which is chasing the explosion happening at the transcendental origin, and as a result thereof, Lord Brahma multiplying as 10 Brahmas in a Shivlok. It is this transcendental phenomenon, it is this transcendental happening which brings us face to face with the force space, the creator space, transiting and transforming into role as creative boundary of the transcendental domain. It is this happening at the Bij Satta Akash. It is this happening in the seed format space, which is chased by the third quarter, Sutras 9 to 12, of Vedic mathematical domain. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with the intensity efforts to be parallel with the chase steps of Vedic mathematical domain shall sequentially reach from the first phase of fourfold manifestation, second phase of explosion at the transcendental origin, and as a third phase, the creative boundary of the transcendental domain. It is this happening, it is this creation of a creative boundary for the transcendental domain which brings the expression phenomenon of seed into tree at the phase and stage of a flowering. It is a reach for the beach from ankur to flowers is the phase range of first three quarters. Now in continuity at the fourth quarter, the chase is going to be in terms of the processes of the mathematical domains of Ganita Sutras 13 to 16. Ganita Sutra 13, Sopan Antyam Dvayam Antyam, leads us, brings us face to face with the formulation Sopan. The formulation Sopan is of TC value 26. Value 26 accepts organization as 5, 6, 7, 8. One may have a pause here and take note that fourfold expression of quadruple values 5, 6, 7, 8 is parallel to fourfold manifestation layer 5, 6, 7, 8 of hypercube 7, the representative regular body of a 7 space. It is the reach, it is the unity state. The Vedic mathematical chase of the expression phenomenon for the seed as a tree to a next generation seed is the phenomenon of a reach up till hypercube 7. So starting with hypercube 4, the reach is up till hypercube 7. So hypercube 4, hypercube 5, hypercube 6, and hypercube 7 are the four distinct phases and stages of this chase. Before we have further elaboration of the formulation Sopan, and before we have a final word about this chase, let us be sequentially through the text of Ganita Sutras 13 to 16. Ganita Sutra 13 is Sopan Antyam Dvayam Antyam, means the beginning and end as a range, as a domain is having a pair of end points. It is that each domain is having a pair of endpoints. This is the domain boundary ratio is like a raised power n is to 2n b raised power n minus 1. For n is equal to 7, it is a raised to power 7 is to 14 b raised to power 6. It is this reach of the mathematical processing steps of Ganita Sutras which blissfully bring us face to face with the ultimate attainment of the Vedic mathematics. It is this ultimate attainment of the Vedic mathematics which deserves to be comprehended well and to be imbibed fully. The formulation Spanantyam Dvayam Antyam, as we have seen, is of geometric format of hypercube 7. Further, this composition Supanantyam Dvayam avails as many as 20 letters and its TC value is 80. The value 20 we know is the synthesis value of a pair of transcendence ranges of a zero order, and value 80 is the creator's value. It is 8 multiplied by 10. It is equal to 80 cubes coverage of the transcendental domain. So it is this richness of this text and it is this richness of this format which deserves to be imbibed well. One will be blissfully face to face with the potentialities of the mathematical domain of Ganita Sutras as it is successfully chasing the expression of the tree within the seed and a reach up till the next generation seed. It is this attainment, it is this reach, it is this potentiality which deserves to be imbibed well. Ganita Sutra 14 is of the text Eka Nunen Purve. The simple rendering is one less than before. As we have seen that the domain boundary formulation of hypercube 7 is a raised to power 7 is to 14 b raised to power 6. So at the boundary there happens a domain of 1 degree less order than that of the domain. So it is a raised to power 7 which is enveloped within b raised to power 6 and as many as 14 components of self-referral domain a raised to power 6 are constituting the creative boundary. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with intensity efforts to be face to face with the mathematical domain, continuity, and transition from Ganita Sutra 13 to Ganita Sutra 14 shall reach from 7 space as a domain to 6 space as its boundary. It is that next step that Ganita Sutra 15 will be bringing us face to face with the text of Ganita Sutra 15, Gunita Samuchaya. This formulation avails 16 letters and TC value is 56. The value 56 we know equal to 28 plus 28. Therefore, if we have a chase of values range 1 to 28, we will be having a reach at 56 factors. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well, as the reach is going to be from the begin with letter A of value 6 to the value 28, the second perfect number value. And finally, as Ganita Sutra 16, the letter 16 take us to TC value 55, which is the summation value of values 1 to 10. So entire range from value 1 to value 10 from the Ekadhiken Purve to Parbrahm. The entire range coverage is being attained by the Ganita Sutras. Therefore, the sadhakas fulfilled with the intensity of virtue shall have a comprehensive view of this chase. This comprehensive view is in the form of a unity format. The unity format would mean seven space as a format, means hypercube 7 as a representative regular body of 7 space providing the necessary unity format. We know that 7 space is of 15 geometries range. However, this 15 geometries range is in fact of 13 transcendence phases of 7 space of value minus 57 to 75. Let us have a pause here and be face to face with this 13 geometries range of 6 space being accommodated by the unity format of 13 transcendence phases. One shall sit comfortably and be face to face with this attainment. It is this unity format attainment of Vedic mathematics which is parallel with the complete expression of a tree within a seed for a next generation reach. Therefore, sadhakas fulfilled with the intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic mathematical systems shall have a sequential parallel chase of existence phenomenon within the seed for its reach to a next generation reach. A step ahead, one can have a chase of a Jeev Purush Putra phenomenon of a reach from one generation to a next generation, a reach of full expression of a life within human frame. And finally, one can go a step ahead and be face to face with the complete expression, the full expression of a Brahm into the solar universe. Here is a blissful announcement that I am starting Vedic Mathematics Gurukul. It is a virtual institution. It is absolutely free institution. Those who want to join it may even not apply formally in any form. They may follow the YouTube. However, if at any stage anyone feels that he requires some sharing on some points, he may communicate through the email arrangement. Thank you very much.